Okay, so today we're doing Play-doh inside a Play-doh. With Play-doh, obviously. And I'm just gonna finish cleaning out the gunk out of this Play-Doh.
If you don't know what Play-Doh is, you can mold it, you can play with it.
But I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know what Play-Doh is. And
unless those China boys.
And, yeah. And, our friend Alex, he's
autistic. He's autistic.
Yeah, and shut up. He goes to our school. Thanks for giving us the idea.
Alex, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. So let's get started.
Okay. Okay, so we're just.
I'm gonna flip it over. Wait. We need to make sure. Ready? Ready, guys? It'll come out like right there.
Yeah. No.
Carter.
The viewers can't see it.
Oh my God. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Okay, that's it, Jenna.
Okay.
Cut it.
Okay. Cut. Allison, get out of our way.
Get.
Okay. So you can see it is Play-Doh inside of Play-Doh. Well, if you want to see more, if you want to do this,
So you need to buy the Play-Doh Kitchen Creations. Not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah.
Not sponsored.
If you want to do Play-Doh inside of Play-Doh
or other creations.
Yeah.
Like gummy bears, chocolate,
Yeah.
garbage disposal, or even Hershey's Kisses.
Yes, and like Oreos, and all you need to make this stuff is like Play-Doh, and
it comes with Play-Doh.
3 and up, it comes with Play-Doh. We don't really know how much it is, but
it's found at Hy-Vee.
yes. Don't know any other.
And Target.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, those places. If you like any of our other videos, like and subscribe. See ya.